taking my baby girl to pick her up from work, and I'm about to toast some of these tacos. I want to do some cheese and then taco and ground beef. I think I'm going to do a couple of them so they can just come in and yeah. These tacos are going to be off the chain. Off the chain. I'm going to do 3 at a time. Three at a time. Okay. I will be back. This is how they turn out. And I'm gonna do 6 ground beef, 6 chicken. Dinner. Taco Tuesday. I got crunchy shells, soft shells. I toasted some. I got sour cream, French onion dip chips. And I got chicken, ground beef, my own Spanish rice, and all the fixings. So I'm about to make my plate. And I'm gonna give me a little rice. Right, guys, this is dinner. Taco Tuesday. Tacos. My baby done came and got her another one. So these are chicken on the left, ground beef on the right. I got one beef. And then I made a crunchy one. Need some rice. I got chips and dip. And I got cake over there with some ice cream and wine. So yeah, we are going to eat and then we are going to watch a movie.
And she made cake. Okay. What do you do?
Alright y'all, so the milk done soaked all the way in. It's like caramel. Oh my god. It's supposed to be caramel, but it didn't caramelize, but now it's caramelized. We're gonna get some ice cream. Ice cream, okay? Okay. Me and my baby's gonna watch TV. I done made some tacos. I'm full and nice, moist cake with some cooked milk, almost caramel. Well, it is caramel, might as well say. And some pecan ice cream. I'm gonna watch a movie with my baby. Gonna watch Frankenstein.